Good morning, students. Today our topic is tunnels. Okay. In for discuss about tunnel. Tunnel is a roadway or passes for our hydropower for water or pipelines or other public use functions. We use tunnels. In tunnels, we have a main function is we have to cut inside the ground for it and make a preferable passage for public utility. Either it is for traffic, for pipelines, or for water supply or other needs. Okay. Then we come for the definition of tunnel. For the definition of tunnel, tunnel is a underground passageway completely enclosed except for opening and exit. Means openings for entrance and exit. Means tunnel all sides are closed, only open are entrance and exit. यानी इसमें होता क्या है कि टनल जो है वो क्या होती है कि अपने जो ग्राउंड के अंदर क्या करते हैं हम पासेज बनाते हैं, यानी ग्राउंड को कट करते हैं अंदर से और उसके अंदर से जो लूज मटेरियल होता है उसको बाहर निकाल लेते हैं. ठीक है. लूज मटेरियल को बाहर निकालने के बाद जैसे ही हम उसको लूज मटेरियल को वहाँ से बाहर निकाल लेते हैं, तो जब उसको बाहर निकालते हैं तो उसके बाद क्या बचता है, जहाँ से हम निकालना स्टार्ट किया था और जहाँ तक हमने निकाला था, यानी दोनों साइड में क्या होता है, जो ओपनिंग्स होती हैं सिर्फ वही ओपन रहती हैं, बाकी सभी क्लोज रहते हैं. ठीक है. इट इंक्लूड्स ऑल टनल्स विच एक्सक्वेटेड टू डाइवर्ट द ट्रैफिक लोड और टू फ्लैक्सेट द फ्लो ऑफ मेनली फॉर ट्रैफिक. ठीक है. सम टनल्स आर यूज्ड फॉर एक्वेडक्ट्स to supply water for consumption of hydroelectric stations. Means we have to supply hydroelectric station, supply water to hydroelectric station from dam to station. For this we have to use very huge cross section pipe for it. So for that pipe we have to make a tunnel and we have to insert that pipe on the tunnel. Okay. Then next is geological considerations for tunnel. Means what are the geological conditions for which we can select our location and suitability of the tunnel. Then in this we have, for this geological consideration we can find out mainly tunnel design, that it consists of shape and size. Okay. Shape, size and method of its excavation. Stability. In previous video I discussed about stability. Stability means how much stable that tunnel is, how much stable on that ground area is preferable for the design and method for making it. Either if it is hard, then we have to excavate it and then use it. For soft we have to use lining inside it. Okay. For this we have to study three geological conditions. First is lithology of the area. Second is geological structures. Geological structures mainly consist of the type of geological structure like fault, fold, joint, unconformity and others. Next is groundwater condition. Is there is groundwater present near the tunnel or how much far away from the tunnel. Okay. Then next is lithology. In this we collect the information regarding mineralogical composition. Means इसके अंदर हम क्या करते हैं कि मेनली मिनरल्स कौन सा मिनरल कहाँ पे मिलता है, इस चीज़ का हमें स्टडी करनी होती है। और वो जो मिनरल मिल रहा है उसके पास कितनी स्ट्रेंथ है कि उसके ऊपर हम हमारी फाउंडेशन ले कर सकते हैं या नहीं कर सकते। अगर ले नहीं कर सकते हैं तो उसकी स्टेबिलिटी हमें बढ़ानी पड़ेगी, यानी उसकी बेरिंग कैपेसिटी हमें उसकी इंक्रीज करनी पड़ेगी। नेक्स्ट, टाइप ऑफ रॉक। टाइप ऑफ रॉक कंसिस्ट मेनली हार्ड रॉक, सॉफ्ट रॉक एंड फिशर्ड रॉक। हार्ड रॉक contains only mountains, inside mountains, when we make tunnels inside mountains. Soft consist on when we have to make tunnel inside sand dunes. Okay, fissured rock is mainly categorized for sedimentary rock whose particles are not so hard and not so soft. It is between the hard and soft. Okay, then lithology decides or help us for deciding. First is method of tunneling. Method means which method we have to use for the tunnel. Okay, next is strength and extent of lining, means how much strength of the tunnel and how much amount of lining is required. Okay, next is the cost of the project. Cost of the project mainly depend on method and using for tunnel excavation, its its preparation and its lining. Three things are mainly come for cost. So if we have to use to make a tunnel in hard, okay, its cost of excavation is more, but the cost of lining is zero inside it. Okay, because in hard rock we have not required to provide lining inside it. Okay, next is geological structure. Geological structure means what type of the geological features the rock present there contains. Okay, in this we have to find out dip, strike, folding, faulting, shear zones and joint system. Dip and strike. Okay, for this we have, okay, this is our rock. Okay, rock structure हम मान लेते हैं ये है, इसके अंदर ऐसे कोई जॉइंट है, तो ये क्या हुआ, इसका डिप हुआ और ये क्या हुआ, इसका स्ट्राइक. डिप एंड स्ट्राइक प्रेजेंट फोल्डिंग. फोल्डिंग कंटेन्स, फोल्ड क्या होता है कि दिस इज अवर फोल्ड. ओके, नेक्स्ट फोल्ट. जैसे फोल्ट में क्या होता है कि ऐसे कोई जो हमारी रॉक है तो उसके अंदर ये फोल्ट आ जाता है. ठीक है, यानी कोई भी फोल्ट है जिससे इसका स्ट्रक्चर कैसा हो जाता है, ऐसा हो जाता है और दूसरी रॉक और नीचे चली जाती है. इससे क्या होता है हमारा कि जो जियोलॉजिकल स्ट्रक्चर है हम उसकी स्टडी करने के बाद ही हम उसके अंदर टनल बना सकते हैं. तो मेनली हमारा जो टनल बनाने का सेटअप होता है वो इन चीज़ों को स्टडी करने के बाद, मीन्स इफ़ वी फाइंड देयर डिप एंड स्ट्राइक more then we left that place and shift towards where the dip and strike is less in amount. Next, for folding we not consider folding surface good for our tunnels. We left it and dig down for remove folds. For faulting we never cross the fault line. This is our fault line. Then either we make tunnel here or here. We don't make tunnel inside at that place because here fault can in next earthquake this can make a crack in our tunnel. Okay, shear zones. Shear zones mainly lead for shear in tunnel. Okay, next is groundwater condition. Then the groundwater condition is mainly used for two things. For impervious, if the groundwater is present there, then we have to leaning our tunnel. Okay, if in our hard rock there is no groundwater present above the tunnel, then we have not required for leaning. If there is any water source above the tunnel, then we have to leaning it or remove all water from there. Two things can be done. Next is tunnel must be lie above water table. If tunnel is above the water table, then we have no problem of water get enter into the tunnel. If the water table is here is a mistake, because must lie below the water table. Okay, that is we have to know, don't use any precaution for tunneling. And then the third topic is tunnel lie above the water table. Okay, if the water table is above the tunnel, then when we excrete material from the tunnel, then the water which is above the tunnel get entrap in the tunnel and cause flood. Then in the flood, mainly our casualties are happened, and most of the cases it happened. Okay, so we have to avoid it. Next, location of tunnel. Location are made soft and rock and soft grounds. Then location where we have to make a tunnel. First is टनल हम कहाँ पे बनाते हैं. सबसे पहला कि हमें या तो रॉक के अंदर बनाई जाए या फिर ओपन ग्राउंड में बनाई जाए, सॉफ्ट ग्राउंड्स के अंदर. अब माउंटेन्स के अंदर जहाँ बनाई जाती है, वहाँ पे क्यों बनाई जाती है? क्योंकि यहाँ जहाँ पे रोड्स आर नॉट प्रिफरेबली suited there, then we have to make a tunnel. And in soft grounds we mainly use tunnel for our water supply or other needs. We can use tunnel for our gas pipes, petrol pipes, because we cannot open use gas pipes or petrol pipes in open. Okay, so we make tunnels in the grounds, and through that tunnels we deliver them. Okay, next is tunnels are made to overcome the loads of the road for traffic uses. If we have to make a tunnel for divert the traffic load from the road, means if any road is very busy and almost there traffic jams are there, so we have to remove this, we have to make a tunnel. Means after that making a tunnel, we can separate the load of the vehicles, or load is minimized. Next is टनल्स कहाँ पे बनाई जाती है? मेनली कि ग्राउंड वाटर उसके इफेक्ट ना करे, एंड टोपोग्राफी एंड पब्लिक यूजेस की रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग हम उसको क्या करते हैं, उसकी लोकेशन को सेट करते हैं. जैसे हमें क्या है कि जैसे कोई भी जगह है, प्लेस है जहाँ पे हमारे क्या है ट्रैफिक ज़्यादा है, तो उसके उसी प्लेस के ऊपर हम क्या करेंगे, टनल्स बनाएंगे। ओके, सेकंड क्या है कि हमें हार्ड, जहाँ पे हमारा प्लांट है हमें उसके पास में ही, उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही हम क्या करेंगे, लोकेशन सेलेक्ट करेंगे उसकी टनल की, और वहाँ पे हम बनाएंगे। टोपोग्राफी, टोपोग्राफी मेनली डिफरेंशिएट द लोकेशन, मीन्स at any place if the topography is not good for a tunnel, then we have to shift from there. Okay, next is type of tunnels. There are three types of the tunnels. First is traffic tunnels. Traffic tunnels, in traffic tunnels we have to make these type of tunnels for traffic use only. Means in these type of tunnels we have to only to move traffics and lower the load of roads, our other roads. Okay, next is hydropower tunnels. Hydropower tunnels are used for water supply to the hydroelectric plant from the dams or reservoir. Okay, third is public utility. In public utility we mainly use for irrigation purpose, irrigation tunnel, for our petrol pipes, gas pipes, or our landline pipes. Okay, we make tunnel and then provide landlines or land cables for first processing, and our other things like our irrigation. Okay, so for this type for these uses we use our tunnels. Then next is uses कहाँ पे होती है इसकी, uses होता है सबसे the first use is for routing the steam. For routing the steam means we make a tunnel and take steam from one side and for remove that steam. Okay, next is chilled water. चिल्ड वाटर के लिए हम क्या करते हैं कि जैसे ही क्या होता है कि हमें पता है कि हमारे ग्राउंड का जो टेम्परेचर होता है वो ऑलवेज अपर लेयर से लोअर लेयर में कम होता है, तो उसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं कि उसको टनल का यूज़ करते हैं, जिससे क्या होता है कि हमारा वाटर है उसका टेम्परेचर लो आता है। नेक्स्ट इज इलेक्ट्रिकल पावर और टेलीकम्युनिकेशन केबल्स। मीन्स इलेक्ट्रिकल पावर मेनली वी सी द इलेक्ट्रिकल power cables are laid above the ground. Okay, and many hazards take place for this. If we use tunnels for this and lay our cables below ground surface, then hazards are minimized. Okay, next is connecting buildings for convent passage. Means we can connect two buildings with a tunnel or simple passage. Okay, in our civil engineering we mainly call it corridors. Okay, we don't use tunnel part there. Okay, thank you.